Hey gamers, game lovers, and everyone else in between. I'm Laura. Welcome to the channel, or welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to reach Twitch affiliate in 1 month. And I like to call it Tips Tuesday. This is my story on how I was able to reach Twitch affiliate in 1 month. Disclaimer, I can't guarantee that this will happen for you, but if you follow these steps, you have a really high chance of becoming Twitch affiliate quickly. Step 1. Network. What does this mean? In simplest form, talk to people. Talk to people both in your streams and in theirs. Pay attention if the same person visits quite often, then go to their channel and watch them stream. Step 2. Keep your streams short. 1 hour or less. I know that some people like to stream for a long time. However, when you're starting out and first trying to become a Twitch affiliate, this can actually damage your chances of reaching affiliate fast, I should say. Because Twitch has certain algorithms just like YouTube, the longer your stream can actually damage it. However, there are other ways to do math for it, which I'm not really familiar with. If you need help with that, I do know somebody who knows that. But what specifically helped me was I would stream for about an hour or less, and I would also do it only a couple of days a week. I did start at first maybe every day for an hour, and it still would sort of make my view count go down, and you need at least 3 viewers each stream to be able to get to that and unlock that feature. So again, the longer you stream, it might make your view count go down. So if you do it for just 1 hour, it's a really good chance that that'll bump you up to have 3 viewers consistently. Step 3. Join Discord servers. I've heard a lot of bad things from people about joining Discord servers. Not all of them are bad. You just gotta find the right ones. Look for servers that are inviting, have rules, and are super friendly and have chatty people. If you're having a hard time finding good ones, I have a list of 3 Discords that I will be reviewing in my next Tips Tuesday video. This is going to be a short and sweet video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you again in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.